Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm testing out a Mirror Shine pigment set that I got. One of them is a hollow and the others are all supposedly Mirror Shine. This video is not a sponsored video, nor am I sponsored by any of the products that I use in this video. And with all of that said, let's get into the video. So first I'm going straight in with the hollow pigment, as this one was the one that I was most excited about. I found that leaving a sticky layer on the nail works best for the pigments to adhere to. If you use a no wipe top coat, it doesn't seem to stick as well. So sometimes it works for some reason, but it's not 100%. I haven't worked out the science behind it. But it works every time if you leave a sticky residue layer on the nail. So there's that one. And next I'm going in with the plain silver, supposedly Mirror Shine. I have seen other pictures online of the Mirror Shine pigments, and they give off like a really high mirrored shine effect. This one has a slight mirror shine, but not as good as I've seen it. I'm going in with the pink. And it's just the same thing. I went in with all black and left them as that. I literally put the gel on, the black gel, and didn't top coat. I just left it as they've got a sticky layer on them. Also, I recommend when using these to put like a paper towel down, because this totally ruined my backboard. Even when I went to dust it away, wipe it away, I used everything to try and get it away, and it's just ingrained itself into my backboard. So with this black one, I'm going to go back in because you can't really see the full effect of it. So later on in the video, you'll see that I do a white nail just to see how that one turns out. I really liked how this green one turned out. I think this one and the hollow one is probably my favourite. This one seemed to give off much more of a shine than the others. Okay, and my next tip to using these is do not use your top coat from the bottle. I luckily was using a top coat that was pretty much on its end legs, like it's pretty much empty, but yeah, it tarnished the whole bottle. Because obviously I went in, I done a stroke, didn't have enough gel on my brush, so went back into the bottle and tarnished my whole bottle with sparkles. So now I have a little bit of glittery top coat left. Luckily I have others, so that's my tip. Put it on a palette, put the top coat on a palette and use a different brush so that you don't tarnish your top coats. Okay, in this pack I noticed that you get a lot of coppers and gold ones. You'll see in the end, you'll see me keep on going in with coppers and golds, but in the end you'll see when they're all next to each other that there is a big difference in them. So I was a little bit concerned because obviously going over black, I was worried that they're all just going to come out a bit dark, but it worked out in the end. So here's another gold. So now I'm going in with this blue. It looked super magical in the pot, so I had to take the lid off to show it. I wish it had a little bit more of a mirror shine on it. But I am thinking about doing another video of mixing them. Mixing a little bit of hollow into like the blue, so we can get like a hollow blue. So here I am with the white nail going in with the black again to see what effect it gives off. This is the last nail. And it kind of gives off kind of a gunmetal grey. Okay, so there they all are next to each other. I'm quite happy with this set. And yeah, as I said, not sponsored. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.